everyone, today in front of me I have this Vivo V23 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can enable the keyboard number row on this device. So as you can see right now, there is no separate keyboard number row. So in order to turn it on, you gotta go for the settings. Here scroll down until you stumble upon the system settings. At the system menu, go for languages and input. Here tap on this on-screen keyboard. Choose the keyboard that you are using. In our case it's Gboard, the default keyboard. Go for preferences, and here just turn on the switch, which stands for number row. And after you have enabled it, you'll get the separate number row on the keyboard of your device, as you can see. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.